Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TENX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement here on the day. Not only was there, obviously nice price movement, but the volume that supported it all was, much larger than what the chart is used to seeing. So both from a volume and price action perspective, a good solid day on the bulls part. So let's first map out some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, if you're saying, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be down here at 70 cents. Now if the price falls below 70 cents, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to continue to hold above there, and I use the word continue because if you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see that earlier today, the bears tried their best to push down through there, but just couldn't muster up enough strength. So 70 cents, definitely that level of support. So if the price does continue to hold above there, that would be a great sign of strength. If the price falls below it, not the end of the world, but definitely the preferable situation. From the big picture perspective, maybe you're sitting there just saying, Clay, look, I just care about the big picture. How can I measure the overall health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. Well, the simplistic way to do that revolves around the famous moving average, that being denoted right there by the purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue on upwards like that. And easy way to put it, the very cut and dry way, simply put, in order to gauge the overall health, as long as the price is above that purple line moving forward, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So very simplistic way to do that. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the key point of selling seems to be right now right up around the 78-cent mark, give or take a little bit. But I think we can all agree that that main point of price congestion of the chart seems to be right up here around that area. So all in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day. And, in my opinion, at least breaking levels of resistance, not even a top priority. Top priority is just go through healthy consolidation, build higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.